What's going on, guys? This is part 1 of my PC build, the unboxing. Well, I won't actually be unboxing the equipment per se, so I guess this will be more of an unpacking. But anyway, I won't actually be starting the build today, so if that's what you guys are looking for, you might want to pass on this video and wait for part 2. This video is simply about me sharing with you guys the parts that I went with, so I'll be sure to leave my PC part picker list below. Now this build is strictly for gaming. I'll continue to use my iMac for my productivity stuff. Also, I'm still waiting on a couple of parts, specifically a 120mm rear fan. Now this unboxing is going to be a bit different from some of my past unboxings in the sense that there won't be any voiceover. Now I guess I could talk about why I went with certain parts or brands over others, but that would be purely based on specs, research, and other reviews that I read or watched, and it wouldn't be me giving you guys my opinion based on my experience. And besides that, I'm sure a lot of you guys are only interested in how it performs, benchmarks, and how the overall build looks. So with that said, this is part 1 of my PC build, the unboxing.